Today, I'll show you how to create a Lightbox form on Squarespace, a great way to enhance user interaction on your website. If you're looking to make your site more engaging or want to capture visitor information seamlessly, adding a Lightbox form can be an excellent solution. Squarespace makes it pretty straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get into the editing mode of your Squarespace page. This is where all the magic happens. Start by navigating to the page where you want to add your form. Once you're on the desired page, click on the Edit button. This allows you to make changes to the content on the page, and it's the first step in customizing your website to better serve your needs. Next, you'll need to add a form block. To do this, look for the option that says Add Block on the page. Clicking this will present you with a variety of different blocks you can add to your site, from text to images and, of course, forms. Select Form from this list. This is the basic building block of your Lightbox form, and getting it right here is crucial for the next steps. Once your form block is added to the page, it's time to enable the Lightbox feature, which is what will give your form that polished, professional look and feel. To do this, locate the form block you just added and click on the small pencil icon. This is the edit button for the form block, and it will open up a range of options for you to customize your form. In the form block settings, navigate to the Design tab. This tab is where you'll find various options to adjust the appearance and layout of your form. Here's where you can make your form not just functional, but visually appealing as well. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Within the Design tab, you'll see an option labeled Lightbox. You'll want to toggle this option to On. By enabling the Lightbox, your form will now appear in a pop-up window, overlaying your page when triggered. This feature not only makes your form stand out, but also improves user focus and interaction, as it minimizes distractions by dimming the rest of the page when the form is accessed. Once you've enabled the Lightbox, be sure to review your form settings and overall design. You may want to adjust the form fields, button text, or even the colors to match your site's branding. Remember, your form should be both functional and aesthetically pleasing to encourage maximum engagement from your visitors. And there you have it. You now know how to create a Lightbox form on Squarespace. By following these steps, you can effectively capture visitor information while enhancing the overall user experience on your website. Lightbox forms are a fantastic way to keep your site looking clean and professional while serving your business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.